If you like to find out how I achieved this color, please keep watching. If you want to know how I dyed this wig to achieve this color, please keep watching. Like, subscribe and comment down below. Like, subscribe and comment down below. This is the close-up. Very rich color. Beautiful. I love it. I love how it turns out. Look at that. Don't mind my mannequin. It's got some dirty. I washed it, but I didn't go. So yeah. How beautiful it is. Look at that. And look at that popping curls. I love it. Can't wait to wear it. Hey guys, it's me, Priceless Beauty, and today I'm going to be doing a hair dye on my wig. So I bought this wig and it was supposed to be burgundy, but when it came it was a bit orangish. So I've always wanted to dye it again, and also it wasn't really as thick as I wanted it, so I went ahead and sewed some human hair onto it. I added more hair to it to make it fuller and thicker, so it wasn't, as you can see when you buy it, it's not thick like this. So I added more hair to it to make it thicker, so the color has changed a bit dramatic. So today I'm gonna dye it burgundy, like the color that I wanted. This is the color that I wanted. So I bought Garnier hair dye. So this one, the color is vivid where is burgundy, fiery burgundy. Yeah, so the color is fiery burgundy. It's written here. So review how the Ghanaian hair color works on wigs. So hope you like it. Please like, subscribe and comment down below. Let's just get right into it. So to do this, I've got a bowl, 3-pack of this hair dye, and a blush, and also in the pack it comes with a glove for your hand, and it also have a conditioner in it. So I'm just gonna get into it.
Just want to say I forget to pour 1 bottle of the developer into it, so it was 2 bottles of developer with 3 tubes of the cream. So it was accidentally, when I finished the dye, that's when I found out that one of the developer was left there. So yeah, but it still worked perfect.
The truth will break your chains. We have the key. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna hold us back. The sea is rising like we dancers. Imagine life without a purpose. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Everything you're fighting for. everything you're fighting for. Run away, and I know right now we can change anything and make it better together. Now we're strong, don't question it. The truth will break your chains. We have the key. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna hold us back. The sea is rising like we dancers. Imagine life without a purpose. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Run away, and time will find a place that we call home. They can try anything, we'll make it better together now. Don't be afraid of letting go. I know there's more, we can be free. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna hold us back. The sea is rising like we dancers. Imagine life without a purpose. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Everything you're fighting for.
So I've put all the dye in it, and it's all covered. I'm just going to leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes for the dye to take. So it's all done, and as you can see, the color is taking now. Camera is not really focusing well, so yeah, I'll come back when I wash it.
Run away, and I know right now we can change anything and make it better together. Now we're strong, don't question it. The truth will break your chains. We have the key. Open your eyes and see.
So after wash, this is how it looks like. Came out really nicely. It's really nice and bright. I have to dry it for you to see the color properly. So we'll return when the hair is dry. So this is the final result of the dye. As you can see, it's very rich. The color is rich and intense. I love how it turns out. Look at that. So close up. So what I did is I used this rollers to set it big curls, give some curls in it and some volume. And I used to get the shine. I use argan. This is what is it called? Argan oil from Morocco. It's a styling foam. Give it some shine. So look at the color. It's rich and intense, very beautiful. It turned out so nicely. Look at this. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Look at that. And it's nice and thick and full. So if you buy a wig and you don't like the color, or you don't like the how thick it is, you can buy any human hair, add to it, and after that dye it the color of your choice. So this is the end result. Look at it. It's beautiful. And if I show you close up of the lace didn't dye. It's still nice and beautiful. I love it. I love how it turned out. So my thought on Garnier hair dye is really nice. My first experience with it, I love the color. It dyed the hair really, really nicely. Look at the intense color. So beautiful.